Hello everyone. I'm excited to show you how Royal Tiso, our premium, naturally preserved hot pepper sauce, can completely transform your salmon dish. Now, Royal Tiso isn't just any sauce, it's goodness in a bottle. Crafted with care and layered with bold heat, smoky depth, tangy brightness, and savory harmony, it brings out the very best in your cooking. Let's start with this fresh salmon fillet. I'm brushing it generously with Royal Tiso as a marinade. Right away, you can smell that rich, flavorful aroma. It's not overpowering, it's perfectly balanced. As the salmon cooks, Royal Tiso seeps into every layer, infusing it with deep, natural flavor and a gentle kick of spice that wakes up your taste buds. Now here's the fun part. Once your salmon is ready, don't stop there. Use Royal Tiso as a dip. Each bite becomes a flavor explosion, smoky, tangy, and deliciously bold. Royal Tiso transcends cultures, age groups, and cooking styles. Whether you're preparing a gourmet dinner or a simple weeknight meal, it makes every dish come alive. Because with Royal Tiso, every meal tells a story of flavor, passion, and perfection. Grab yours at our website at www.royaltiso.com.